go to Google, then type STM32 CubeIDE. It is IDE which will be used to program our STM32 controllers. So just go there, click. Then this will appear STM32 CubeIDE software. Here, just scroll down, or you can just click here, Tools and Software. So this will come. So if you are using Mac, then you will install from this link. Or if you are using Windows, then just select this STM32 CubeIDE Windows installer and select version. Install version 1.19. So just click here. It will start. It will take some installation guidelines and some terms and conditions. So accept it. Then log in. Make your STM32 account like you make any account like Facebook ID or Instagram ID with your Gmail ID, and then log in or create my ST account. Then this ID will automatically get installed. So anyone have any doubt till now?
No, sir.
Okay. Then once this ID gets installed, it will appear something like this. You can see here. It will appear like this, STM32 CubeIDE, and its version will appear here. Okay. Just right click here. This ID will open. You can make your workspace here like this is for training purpose, so I have named it training. And in this workspace, everything that will be recorded or the code that I will do, it will be for training purpose only. Click here, launch. It will launch this ID. Then I have already told you that how to create the project, but once again I will show. So first of all, let me close this. Okay. So go click on file icon, then new, and STM32 project. Fine. If anyone have any doubt, please speak. Then this interface will come here. You will have to write down your board name, that is STM32 WB55RG. Click here. V6TR will appear. Okay. Just click here. Then this interface will come where everything related to controller will be shown here. Right click here and you will get features, block diagram, document, CAD resources, data sheets, everything. Then click on next. And give your project some name. Like first project was LED, so we gave it name LED. Then finish. It will take some time, like 30 to 40 seconds, then it will create the IOC file. Okay. Here, most of you will face the issue when you will install this IDE for the first time. This IOC file will not appear. Why? Because embedded software package or packages that is available, that will be not installed in the default version. So what we will have to do, just click help, then go down there, STM32 Cube updates. Here you will select check for target, check for embedded software package. Click here. If any update is here, it will show and you have to install. But right now we have no update, so just cut it. Once again, go to help section. This time you have to select configuration tool. In configuration tool, you will get manage embedded software package and target device documentation. Documentation I will show how to download it from Google. So we will select manage embedded software package. Here all STM32 series will appear. Our series is STM32WB. So just scroll down and find STM32WB. It is here, STM32WB. Right click, then install the latest one, like 1.22.1. I have already installed it. So let me show you. If you want to install 1.221, then click here and install it. But I suggest you should only install the latest one. When you will click here install, it will get installed and it will appear like this green color box. Now we are good to go. Then if you want to select anything like LED pins or switches, then you will from where you will get it. We will have to download its schematic and datasheet. First of all, any doubt till now?
No, Chandra, you can. Yes.
Okay. Just go there and type STM32WB 55RG schematic. It will appear. Right click here. This is called schematic. Here you will get all the pin details. So in our first two tutorials, that was demo, we told you how to get LED and switches. Just open this schematic and press Ctrl F and search LED. So you can see here LED 1, LED 2, LED 3. Its pin is PB5, PB0 and PB1. Everyone can see it.
Yes.
Okay. Here it's written LED 1 is on PB5. What does this mean? This means LED 1 is on port number B and pin number 5. What does PB5 means? Can anyone repeat?
Port B pin 5, sir.
Okay. Similarly, LED 2 is on PB0. So what does this mean?
That's what port B pin 0. Yeah. Port B port.
And LED 3 is on PB1.
Port B and pin 1.
Okay. So just go there. And here, this is our controller interface. In the search dialog box, write PB5. Our first LED was on this pin. You will see PB5 will start toggling here. Just right click and LED is output pin. Like we are giving some command and it's giving the output, like LED is getting turned on, turned off. So it is output pin. Just make it GPIO output. Second LED pin was on what pin?
Chandan, sorry to interrupt you. This is Madhav from Madhav. Okay. So actually, I have not attended any demo session till now.
Yes.
But I have opted for the live class. Just to be make sure that you are starting from the scratch, right?
Whatever I have covered in the first two demo sessions, it was for demo only. In this tutorial, I am starting from scratch only. Like I have already covered the parts like installing the STM32 CubeIDE, software packages, and the first project of LED toggling. These all projects are already covered in demo session, but as it's our first class, tutorial first class, so I am covering it from start only. And I have already explained how to install STM.
Love our content? Hit subscribe for more awesome videos. We'll see you in the next one.